Hello and welcome to another session. Today we are going to see another unseen passage in Arabic. Shawti al-Bahar. Let's read the passage once. أنا أذهب إلى شاطئ البحر مع أسرتي كل يوم جمعة. أبي يسبح في البحر وجدي يصطاد السمك بالصنارة. This means I go to the beach. Shati al-Bahar means the beach. Al-Bahar means sea. Ma'a means with. Usrati, my family. Kullu yawm Jum'ah, every Friday. Abi, my father. We all know that Ab, Alif and Ba. Ab means father, and when we add a ya to it, it becomes my father. So any noun you add a ya, it belongs to the first person. So Abi, my father, yasbahu, swims, fi, in, al-bahar, the sea. Wa means and, jadi, my grandfather, yastadu, catches, al-samak, fish. Bil sanara. Bil sanara means using the hook. Wa ukhti, and my sister. Tahfar, digs. Al-ramal, the sand. Bil jaruf, using the spade or shovel. Okay. Wa umi, and my mother. Tajlisu, sits. Ala al-shati, on the beach. تحت المظلة means under an umbrella. وأخي, and my brother. يحمل, or carries. العوامة, the floating object. Actually, al-awama is an Arabic sweet dish which resembles a donut. So, and it's a fried sweet dish which resembles a donut, and that's why the float which we carry while swimming, the floater, is called al-awama too. Wa yajri, and runs. Wa ana, and I. Aqfazu wa al'ab, and I jump, and al'ab, I play. So let's answer the questions based on this. Ma ism al-hadas, topic of the passage. The answer is al-ism huwa shati al-bahar. The title, whatever is given in the passage, we will just write that shati al-bahar. Okay. Then second question. Tazhabu is, tazhabu actually, it's the form of the word dhahab. Dhahab means to go. Dhahaba, it's the form of the verb or action word dhahaba, which is used in the question. It is otherwise used for the third person feminine also. So, aina tadhabu ailatuk. So, aila is another name for usra. Usra also means family, and aila also means family. So, usra is family, aila, which is written here, aila also means family. So, either of these words can be used. Aina tadhabu ailatuk, where does your family go? Answer is تذهب عائلتي. My family goes إلى الشاطئ, to the beach. Why did we use ta here in the answer, the beginning of the answer? Because the word aila is actually a feminine word which ends with ta marbuta. Can you see here? Since this is ending with ta marbuta, the root word for family, that is why we used tadhab. And since we want to since the answer has to be given my family, so we have just added this ya. عائلتي تذهب عائلتي إلى الشاطئ. Next question is استخراج من النص. So extract from the passage or short story. First one is فعل مضارع. فعل مضارع means present tense. حروف الجر is prepositions. And third is الكلمات الاسمية. Okay, so ana is a pronoun actually, which means I, but it comes under the category of noun in Arabic. So we will call it kalimat al-ismiya only. It is an ism. Ism means noun. Let's see here. Ana, I, Shati, beach, Usrati, my family, Abi, my father, Al-Bahar, the sea, Jadi, my grandfather, Al-Samak, the fish. Here, al-sanara is hook, which is the noun, but the ba, which is written here, is a preposition, which is highlighted in red color here, which means by the hook or using the hook. Okay. So if you can see all of these words, ukhti, al-ramal, al-jaruf. Al-jaruf is the shovel, which we use for digging the sand. Umi, my mother. Al-Shati is beach. Al-Mizalla is umbrella. Wa akhi. So here you know wa means and in Arabic. Akhi is my brother. Al-Awama also, Al-Awama means the floater, or it's an object which is used while swimming. So it is noun too. Okay, there is a mistake in this slide. Let me see if you can find it out. Yes, this word al-ab actually is a noun. This word al-ab is actually a verb. But here, this is highlighted with blue color, which means it's saying it's a noun. So that is wrong. Al-ab means I play. And so this is a mistake. The right color here should be, we need to change this into green because this is a verb. Al-ab means I play. Here we go. All which are green here are the verbs. So azhab means I go. Yastadu means he catches. Yastadu is a verb which is beginning with ya because the previous noun which is used, whoever is doing the action is a male. That is why we have used ya in the beginning of this verb. Similarly for Abi. Abi yasbah. So my father swims. That is why there is a ya here in the beginning. So Abi is doing the action. In the third line, ukhti wa ukhti tahfar. So hafara means to dig. We have used the starting letter ta here because the person doing the work or the action, the subject is sister, which is feminine. Similarly, ummi tajlis. So if you keep checking the nouns and the verbs which are coming next to each other, you will always see the relationship. Akhi is brother, and since it's a male, the next verb, yahmal, has begun with ya. Similarly, yajri. Yajri means he runs. Since the action doer of this verb also is akhi, we have to write yajri. Okay, there are 4 letters with which the nouns begin. This is alif when you are doing the action yourself. So when the pronoun is I, and ta when the pronoun or the noun is feminine, ya when the noun or pronoun doing the action is a male or masculine, and noon when the action is done by the pronoun we, collective, plural, first person. Okay, so in our last line, we can see that ana aqfaz means I jump, wa al'ab, I jump and play. Al'ab means play. So in this last, so here if you see, the next word is na'udu. Na'udu means we return, min from, al-shati the beach, laylan in the night, bi sa'adat with happiness or happily returned. This is the meaning of this last line. So if you notice, here we have not mentioned any doer of the action. In Arabic, just by seeing the initial letter of the verb, we can identify who the doer of the action was. Here we do not, for especially for the pronouns nahnu and ana, we do not need to specify. For example, if we have to say we go, nahnu nazhabu is the right combination of words. Nahnu nadhabu means we go. Ana adhabu, I go. Okay? Ana adhabu, I go. But if you see, even if we do not write these words, and if we begin the sentence with nadhabu ila wherever, ila means to. Okay? So nadhabu ila Dubai or nadhabu ila al madrasa, whatever. Even then, the sentence is correct, though you have not specified the doer of the action. So similarly, our sentence here has begun with this word without the word nahnu, na'waddu. Okay. This is the translation of the passage given. Hope you have a wonderful learning with my channel. Thank you.